Okay, here we are. Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. Today, Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. Now we're heading into the Harvey Weinstein trial. It's restarting, and on Friday we made a request in writing to have the exhibits. We're hoping to get some. Yesterday the trial didn't meet, so there was no opportunity for the judge to say anything about this, but it should hopefully be happening today. Yesterday we went over there just to see, and Justice Farber was dealing with, he said he had 69 cases. I'm not sure if it hit that number. A number of people were produced but not present in the courtroom. One guy was remanded. We wrote all about it. You can read about it. We wrote some other cases from over there. But back at SDNY, the air came out of the balloon. In the run-up to the Blake Lively, Justin Baldoni trial, set to begin on May 18th, the sides settled. Now, nothing has gone actually into the docket from what I can see. Send out a press release. I don't really try to not write stories off press releases generally. But the exhibits are still up. And in fact, they filed all of their expert, i.e. Daubert, filings into the docket. So they'll all remain public record, but the fight is over. Let's see what Judge Lyman has to say about it. I don't think he can. It's hard for a judge to not go along with a settlement, but if anyone can do it, he can do it. We'll be on the lookout for that. There's another trial that is a case that we were the first to cover. It's a murder case involving Brazil, murder for hire. Sikkema and his gallerist husband, Mr. Sikkema, killed in Brazil. He's going to be on trial for having arranged it. They have a pretty nasty email where he says, I'd be better off as a widower. But he has some arguments too. So that'll be next week, and I think we'll be covering that. Especially now there's no Blake Lively. What can I tell you? Now, as we turn the corner, financial. There's some talk, there's some chatter about OppFi BNC. But Fair Finance Watch was the first and only, so far, to my knowledge, to comment on it. We commented to the Fed and OCC, and the Fed has acknowledged the comment in a written letter saying we don't have an application yet, but we'll hold the comments for 90 days. I'm sure they'll apply in the 90 days. It's a predatory. Predators are getting into banking. In other news, we've heard it before, but they're saying that the Clarity Act is a deal. There is a proposal by Tillis and Alsobrook. The Senate is out this week, but will they actually push it over the line? I think Circle's stock price is up on the idea that they can sort of pay yield. Not straight up yield, but check it out. Now, the United Nations, Antonio Guterres did a entirely hypocritical World Press Freedom Day statement that he put online. I don't even think it wasn't even on the UN's website. He tweeted it? He doesn't tweet it, but he put it up. We did a little coverage of it because he's a total hypocrite. He said how all freedoms are based on press freedom. If so, why have you had Inner City Press roughed up and then banned for nearly the entirety of your tenure? Hypocrite. But I digress. The next guys are coming along. Yesterday, Rebecca Grynspan, candidate from Costa Rica, she tweeted, I guess approvingly, unless retweets aren't endorsements, I've heard. But she thinks that she has an endorsement. She tweeted the Chinese ambassador to the UN answering another state media question about what they want in a Secretary General. Apparently she thinks she's what they want. Hopefully that's going to disqualify her. We'll see. The current candidates are not good enough. Nobody's answered, and they're all. Let's see what censorship happens. But got to rush to 100 Center Street. To be continued.